Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to check the IMEI number in your LG K50. There is three ways to do this. First way is to check it on the box. If you doesn't have the box, you can go to your phone, dial, and write this code. You should see two IMEI because our phone is two dual SIM version. And the third option to check your IMEI is to go to your settings, general, go down about the phone and check the status. Here you have an IMEI of your phone, but there is been only one IMEI first slot. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!